Tracking job progress in Housecall Pro is easy and efficient, allowing you to keep everything in order. Whether you're managing field service jobs or trying to stay on top of multiple projects, this feature helps ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Today, I'll show you how to track job progress in Housecall Pro and keep your business running smoothly. Housecall Pro gives you a simple interface to monitor your team's tasks in real time. To get started, log into your dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a Jobs tab where you can access your job list. Each job will have a status indicator, for example, scheduled, in progress, and completed. This gives you a quick view of where things stand at any given moment. Now, as jobs progress, you can easily track them. Once a technician begins working on a job, the status will automatically change to in progress. From here, you can update progress manually if needed, but the system usually does this for you based on the technician's check-ins and updates. If you want a deeper dive, you can click into any job to see detailed notes, time logs, and even photos that have been uploaded by the technician. This is especially helpful if you're managing multiple jobs at once and need to quickly review the status of each job without opening a dozen tabs. You also have the option to set custom job stages. If you have a specific workflow for your team, such as initial assessment, materials ordered, or final inspection, you can create these stages and track progress at each step. This ensures that you're not just tracking whether a job is done, but exactly where it stands in the process. Another great feature is the ability to communicate with your team and clients directly within the job screen. You can send messages, update customers, and even add notes in real time, ensuring everyone stays in the loop and there's no need to chase down information. In terms of reporting, Housecall Pro offers detailed insights into job progress, helping you spot trends or bottlenecks that could be slowing down your team. With customizable reports, you can track job completion times, technician performance, and even customer feedback. And here's a pro tip. You can even use Housecall Pro's mobile app to track job progress on the go. Whether you're on-site or in the office, you can access job details, update statuses, and communicate with the team from anywhere. This makes tracking job progress even easier when you're away from the office or managing remote teams. Before I wrap up, remember that you can use Housecall Pro for free through the link in the description below. This comes with exclusive bonuses, so you can start tracking job progress today with no strings attached. With everything from custom stages to real-time updates and detailed reporting, tracking job progress in Housecall Pro is designed to keep things simple and organized. It's all about saving time and reducing headaches for your business, so you can focus on what matters most. Don't forget to check out the free trial with our extended offer below. If you're new to Housecall Pro, this tool is a game changer for managing your jobs efficiently. Be sure to take full advantage of the free trial and explore all the ways it can streamline your workflow.